Give all your worries and cares to God, for He cares about you. 1 Peter 5:7. Hello. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Girl, I know you sleepy. I know. But we got to get this hairstyle done. Anyways, by the title of this video, you can see that I'm doing some spring twist. And yes, I started this hairstyle kind of late. It was 8:30 on a Tuesday. But I had to get this hairstyle done. So the night before, I washed, deep conditioned, and parted my hair into 3 workable sections. So when it dried, I can just go right into the braiding. Let's go over the products and materials. So like I said, this hairstyle is called spring twist. Let me say it again, spring twist, not passion twist. With spring twist, I will use spring hair. You see how I pull it and it bounces back? This is spring hair. Okay? Let me say it a little louder. Spring hair. I will also use my big rake comb, a rat tail comb, and different kinds of hair clips. I will use the hair clips differently. I will also use some scissors, edge control, eco styling gel. If you didn't catch all the materials that I used in this for this hairstyle, I will put it in the description box below. Okay. So before I get into the braiding part of the tutorial, I want to let you know that while my hair was damp and wet the night before, I went ahead and put my leave-in conditioner, my moisturizing cream, as well as my oil. So when it was time for me to braid the next day, I wouldn't have to put the same materials in my head, and I could just lightly detangle my hair and go ahead and start braiding. So right here, I'm just sectioning off the size that I want my partings to be for each spring twist. This was one of my mistakes that I did, understanding that this was my first time doing this twist, doing this hairstyle. I don't know why I made them this small, but hey, I know next time I'm not going to make the front section this small. Okay, so next you need to take one spring twist and you need to fluff it out. When I mean fluff it, I mean stretch it. So you need to pull from one end to the other end. This will help you separate the spring twist. Separate the spring twist into 2 so you can make 2 spring twists to put in your hair. So one spring twist can make 2 spring twists for your hair. You take one of the pieces that you separated and you make your 3 plaits, your 3 braids, if that makes sense. You decide if you want to use gel or edge control. I use edge control, but then I stop. So this right here, when I started doing my spring twist, I want to have a foundation. I wanted my roots to be like a foundation, so I braided it down probably 4 or 5 times, and then I started twisting. So when braiding, this is curly hair, so you may run into some knots or some kinks. What I did, I tried my best not to pull it out because I will make the hair straight, and you want this hair to be curly, so you'll just have to flow with it. But anyways, I'm still braiding down, and once I get to the point that I want to start twisting, I take that middle part of my 3-strand braid, split into half, and put it in the left side and in the right side. My left hand on my right hand. So here's where I start doing the twist. And to get the curl that I had, you will have to twist right to left. So the strand in your right hand, it needs to go over your left. And just keep doing it all the way down. Don't mind me. I don't know what song I was listening to, but it had me bobbing my head. But as you can see, I'm done with the braid. It looks pretty good for the first braid. And then you see that wavy end. You can cut that off. Give it that clean look. Baby, can you say tired? I was tired. I woke up extra early to finish my hair because I had so much to do that day and this whole week. So I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to let the video play. So keep watching as I finish this hairstyle. Y'all, let me tell you something. Doing this hair and doing this hairstyle is not for the weak people. It's not for the weak-minded. Let me tell you, I'm almost done with doing this hairstyle. And I'm already over it. I want to take them out. Not because it's not cute. They're cute. It's cute, but it just takes so much time. I started Tuesday around 8:30. We'll say 9 just to, you know, round it up. It is, well, you might as well say it is Thursday, 12:36 a.m. And I still have this much to go. So, good morning. It's the day. It's Thursday during the day. I'm finally done with my hair. Jesus. I was done at like 2 o'clock, but I didn't want to record. So, yeah. I really like how they came out. They're cute. So yeah. Hey y'all, so this is a long overdue video. I've had these in for maybe about a month now. So you can see it's a little froey at the roots, but that is okay. And I'm just coming back to give you, you know, my pros and cons while braiding and while wearing this hairstyle. Doing this hairstyle is not for the weak. The hair, you have to be so patient with this hair when you're unraveling it and fluffing it out because it will not on you. When I did this hairstyle, granted, I had this idea where I wanted the front portion to be smaller braids, but I wanted the back portion to be like the part and be I'm not gonna say huge, I'm not gonna say big parting, but I'm gonna say medium parting, so it won't take me so long to do the back. To me, I feel like it still took me too long to do this hairstyle. I started 8:30 p.m. on a Tuesday night, and I didn't put the last braid in my head till Thursday night, Thursday morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. And granted, Wednesday I had a lot to do. I had to go to a session as well as Bible study. Could have been done in one sitting, but I still don't believe it. But I will say that it is lightweight. I feel like I have a lot of braids on my head, but it's very lightweight. The amount of hair that I use, I ordered this hair off Amazon. Beyond Beauty, I believe. Beauty Beyond, I can't remember. But it comes with, it has 3 bundles of hair in the purchase. So out of those 3 bundles, I used 2.5. Probably not even a full 2.5. No, I used 2.5. 2 and 1/5 maybe. So if I wanted to, I can redo the front, which I'm not gonna do. I'm keeping these in probably another 2 weeks maybe, because I believe it still looks good. The frowiness makes it look natural, I'm guessing. A lot of people still been giving me compliments about it. It's hard to braid. Like, the foundation of it was hard to braid because it's curly hair. So it was hard to braid around the roots. I mean, not around the roots, but around the perimeter, just because I wanted smaller braids. To me, it just kept sliding. I didn't want to use, after like the first couple of braids on, I can't remember which side I started with. I think this side. After a couple of braids that I started with, I used like the edge control or the Eco Styling gel. I felt like it kept slipping and I wasn't getting a good grip on the braid, so I just stopped using the gel or the Eco Styling, the edge control or the Eco Styling gel. Twisting wise, it's long, so the twisting of it wasn't hard. It's just a technique how, but you know, when I twist my hair, I twist my hair left over right, and you know, roll the strands while I'm twisting. But with this hair, you don't do no rolling. You just twist, 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 right over left. So twist, twist, twist. Another thing with this hairstyle, this hair broke my face out. Like, I had a breakout on my face, like tiny bump. You would think that was like measles or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but it just looked so bad. If you feel the need that you might break out, I suggest you wash your hair, wash the bundles before you put it in there, which means soak the hair in apple cider vinegar, and I don't know, just look on YouTube and find a video where it says pre-soak hair and what you need to soak it in. Thank you for watching. Please like it. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave it in the comment box below. Subscribe, share with people, and follow me on all social sites. That's Facebook, Instagram, I got 2 of them, Twitter, as well as Snapchat. I think that's about it. Hope y'all have a blessed day. See y'all later. God bless.